When are we going to eat? I want to eat right now. Yeah, hear me? Now! Did you notice people lying down for so long in class half ago?
Yes, Tarzan. You never Mr. Wonka say that all the most important nutrient factors are being down below the surface. I wonder why.
I think he said there would be nearly enough space in the top. He said the rooms of the sea are enormous.
Here we are, everybody!
Ooh!
This is the chocolate room!
Yay!
It's the heart of my whole operation!
Yay! I don't see anything besides the old river over there. Where's the food? I'm hungry! And just look at those enormous pipes over there. I wonder what they're for. Gee, Mr. Wonka, what's wrong with your river? It looks all brown and muddy looking. Ew!
Nothing wrong with it, my boy. Nothing at all. It's all chocolate. Every drop of that river is hot, melted chocolate. There's enough chocolate in there to fill every bathtub in the country.
Yay!
And just look at my pipes.
Ooh!
They suck up the chocolate and take it where it's needed in the other rooms of the factory.
Look! Look over there! What is it? He's moving! He's walking! Why is it a little person? Down everyone of the pie! She's right there! Put the little man! Can you see him?
I see him, Charlie.
There's two of them! My gosh, so there is! There's more than two, there's 4 or 5. What are they doing? Who are they? Aren't they fantastic?
No, are you on my knees?
They can't be real people.
Yeah! Oh, nonsense! Of course they are real people. They are some of my workers.
Ooh! That's impossible. There are no people unless them.
Yeah! There are more than 3,000 of them in my factory.
Ooh!
They are Husky Oompa Loompas!
Husky Oompa Loompas? Husky Oompa Loompas? What do you mean? Mommy! I want a Husky Oompa Loompa! I want a Husky Oompa Loompa! I want her to come home with me! Go on, Mommy! Give me a Husky Oompa Loompa! Ooh! Now, my pet, I think you can jump to Mr. Wonka. But I want a Husky Oompa Loompa! Alright, alright, but I can't get it. Just a second, sweetie. Please be patient. I'll see they come. Chocolate! Oh, Augustus, sweetheart. I don't think you had better to do that one.
Oh no, Augustus, please, Augustus, I beg of you, do not do that. My chocolate must be untouched by human hands.
Didn't you hear what the man said? Come away from that river at once.
Yeah!
It's a bit so horrific. I might need a bucket to drink your property.
Augustus, you must come at once. You are dirtying my chocolate.
Ooh. Augustus, you've been giving that nasty coat of yours to about 1 million people all over the country. You're leading too far